Mmhmm. Coleslaw is the quintessential salad in Trinidad and Tobago, possibly because it pairs well with Pelau, and we all know Pelau is the national dish of Trinidad and Tobago. Or is it Callaloo? Despite being on the receiving end of such accolades, coleslaw is not my favorite salad. Potato salad has that number one spot for me, but I wanted to pay homage to the slaw. With simple ingredients and minimal prep time, it deserves to be celebrated. Now, I don't complicate my coleslaw. I select my ingredients very carefully to come up with what I think is the perfect balance of fresh vegetables, herbs, and dressing. I begin the salad prep with my carrots, and using a box grater, no food processor lazy man thing here. You want to make some long, deliberate strokes. Pro tip, don't slide the carrot up and down the face of the grater. Every time you finish your downward stroke, raise the carrot off the grater, return it to the top position, and repeat the downward stroke. Basically, your carrot should only be in contact with the grater when you're in your downward stroke motion. This will ensure long, clean strands of carrot and prevent the bruising of the vegetable. For the cabbage, you would need a sharp knife. You want to remove the core of the cabbage and cut into slices. Now, this is a good opportunity to work on your knife skills to try to get paper-thin cuts. Now, I didn't get paper-thin slices throughout, but I ended up with a pretty good final product. For the next step in the cabbage prep, you want to blanch the cabbage. Basically, you take hot boiling water and pour it over the cabbage, and then you immediately shock it with an ice bath or ice water. You want to drain the water from the cabbage, and now you're ready for the next part. Now for the herb, I like to add celery to my coleslaw. You get a nice texture from the stalks if you cut them thin, and you get great pungent, fresh flavor coming from the leaves that shines through the dressing to remind you that you're eating something fresh. Now on to the dressing. Here I use about 3/4 cups of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of mustard, the juice of half a lime for acidity, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of sugar. Now this is optional, you could leave this out. And to add a little more citrus flavor to it, I use a few dashes of Angostura orange bitters. You want to combine and then toss your slaw. Now the great thing about coleslaw is that it goes so well with so many things. Hot dogs, burgers, barbecue, fried fish, Sunday lunch, your macaroni pie, your red beans, your stewed chicken, and of course, Pelau. Comment below and let me know what's your favorite thing to eat coleslaw with, or what little tips and tricks you use in preparing your coleslaw. Don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great content. The full write-up is on our website, and if you do try this recipe or put your own spin to it, feel free to share your photos with us on Instagram and tag us at eatahfood. All the links can be found in the description box below. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.